Hi, it's Jules from the Beauty School. Today I'll be showing you everything that's inside the Certificate in Professional Hairstyling kit. Let's jump into it. Firstly, we have the mannequin head and the stand. We've got 2 hairsprays. We've got a sea salt spray, a hair mousse, a spray bottle, a thermal protector, an argan hair oil, bobby pins in black and bronze, a comb set, butterfly clips, sectioning clips, bungee hair ties, duckbill clips, clear elastics, hair roller pack, a chignon, double prong pin curl clips, round brush set, a paddle brush, a natural bristle brush, a detangling brush, a hairdryer with a diffuser attachment, a hair curler, and lastly, a hair straightener. And that's everything in our Certificate in Professional Hairstyling kit. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see next.